How to get Google reviews for a hair transplant clinic. Review is revenue. How your reviews affect the revenue of your hair transplant clinic. It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. If you think about that, you'll do things differently. Warren Buffett. Reviews for a company is the lifeblood that flows through its veins, bringing it life or a slow demise. This is because 98% of people report that they read online reviews about local businesses before reaching out to them. Today, 93% of people read online reviews before they make a buying and appointment decisions. Therefore, reviews for business directly affect its revenue. If nearly all your potential patients are looking at reviews, do you think maybe it is time to take a look at yours? Review is revenue, Raj MD. While 97% of consumers search online for local businesses, 12% of consumers do so on a daily basis. The value of a good reputation has been known for centuries. Regard your good name as the richest jewel you can possibly be possessed of. Socrates. This trend is the result of people connecting their phones to maps and Google accounts. What sources of reviews are most important? While reviews matter, some are more important than the others. Google reviews take the lion's share at 73%. Yelp, although at a low 6%, takes the next place, and Facebook at 3%. Together they account for most of the reviews, adding up to a whopping 81%. The other sites all combined make up the remaining 18 to 19%. That will be your medical review sites, dental review sites, your AVVO, and other trade-specific medical, dental, and profession-specific sites. So, whether you've been in practice for years, or just starting out, focus your efforts on Google reviews, and on how to get Google business reviews. Later, we can talk about how to get reviews on Yelp and other sites. Google reviews, and in fact any reviews, are important for your practice because over 95% of people go online to learn more about businesses, and as we saw before, purchasing and appointment decisions are made only after reviewing a practice's online reputation. Since 75% of all online reviews are left on Google, it is time to think about how to get reviews in Google, and how to get Google reviews from patients. For these reasons, having some way or someone to monitor your Google business profile, Google My Business, becomes necessary. Would you like a report of your online presence, created for you, free of charge? You can get your free report today, so you know what the competition is doing, and how you can do better. We will prepare it for you when you request it at reviewisrevenue.com. For best results, and higher revenue opportunity, make sure you have enough reviews, mostly positive reviews, and the right number of star ratings, for potential new patients to trust you, and book high revenue procedures with you. Wishing you success, on behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar signing off.